Okay, hi, this is Shotgun Fun. I don't really know where to get it because this is my friend's game, so I'm gonna play it. Pump it, pump it, pump it louder. Oh my, no, not yet. I'm not ready for you. We're not meant to be. You made it. Oh, and if you stay too long in one spot, you blow up.
Like this. Show them.
I'm not going to show you guys because it's kind of going to take too long.
Yeah, alright.
I might put this on YouTube.
Say this.
Wait. My friend says that he's going to blow himself up for you guys. Oh my goodness, damn! I'm not saying that. Just leave it. No, I'm not gonna say it. La la la. My life was so perfect until you messed up in it. Don't do that. Wow! No Christmas for you this year. I'll remind Santa not to come. My goodness, no. You don't touch me. Hey now. Pump it, pump it, pump it louder. Pump it, pump it, pump it louder. This is my place. Don't go near it. No, I told you. You never listen. Ah. Damn. Okay, this is my friend, Caesar. Wait, I got my blood.
This is our
Blah
news.
is my initials. What? I beat my record.
This is how it's done. Leave it to the professional. Where's all the zombies? Zombies? I'm looking for you. Oh, there you are. Oh, you sick bastard. Leave me. My friend did tell you that I'm going to blow myself up, so I'm going to get myself a nice spot, and I'll show you how it's done. Damn.
Get on the ladder.
Let me just try one more time. I'm going to try this one more time and show you how it's done.
Noob.
You're a noob, shut up. You even know how to play this game. Come on, zombie. Slash this. Where's all the zombies? Hello?
I'm
Come.
so lonely.
I'm so body. Where are all the zombies? Please come to me right now. Die, you bastard. Come on, just blow up already. I need you now. Thank you. This is the video. Razor and Caesar.
Part 2 coming up.